I love editing videos in Premiere Pro. You can create beautiful, high-quality videos using your iPhone. For some reason, if you shoot on an iPhone and edit in Premiere Pro on a Mac, it's going to goof up the colors when you export your video. It will look fine as you edit the sequence, but when you export, the highlights and dynamic range will be blown out and not look right. Here's how to fix it. Save this step for right before you export. Like I said, it will look fine in the editing timeline. Right before you export, highlight all the clips shot on your iPhone in the project navigation. You can do this by clicking the first clip in the list, holding Shift, and then clicking the last clip in the list. Then, right-click the group and select Modify, Color. In the Modify Clip window, click the button to override Media Color Space. The one you're looking for is called REC 2020. Because the Mac uses system-wide color management, Premiere doesn't properly handle the wider dynamic range of the iPhone's HDR footage. REC 2020 makes it look good when you export. Click Export, and then check your export settings like the file name, the export location, and the format, usually H.264. The preview of the media might not look good, but believe me, it will look great when it exports. I hope this tutorial fixed your video's blown out highlights and is ready for screening. Catch you on the next one.